Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you're unable to remove a keyboard language layout in Windows 11. This is a common problem that can be frustrating when you're trying to clean up your language settings through the normal settings menu, but the layouts just won't budge. The solution involves making a quick change in the Windows registry, and I'll walk you through it step by step. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to make sure your Windows 11 computer has fully loaded up. Give it a moment to complete its startup process so everything runs smoothly when we start making changes. This ensures all system files are properly loaded and ready for editing. Once your PC is ready and you're on your desktop, direct your attention to the Windows Start menu located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu. From here, you'll need to type in regedit into the search box that appears. After typing this, press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Windows Registry Editor, which is a powerful tool that lets you access deeper system settings that aren't available through regular menus. When the Registry Editor window opens, you'll see a directory structure on the left side of the screen, similar to how File Explorer displays folders. Now look for the folder labeled hkey_current_user in the left side directory. You'll notice a small arrow next to it. Click on that arrow to expand this folder and reveal its contents. This is where Windows stores user-specific configuration settings, including keyboard layout information. Once expanded, you'll see several subfolders appear beneath it. Scroll through these subfolders carefully until you locate the one called Keyboard Layout. Click on the arrow next to Keyboard Layout to expand it as well. Under the Keyboard Layout folder, you'll find another subfolder called Preload. Click on this Preload folder once to select it. When you do, the right side panel of the Registry Editor will populate with several registry entries. These entries represent all the keyboard language layouts currently configured on your system, including the ones you've been trying to remove but couldn't through the normal settings interface. This is where the solution lies, as these stubborn layouts are stored here in the registry. To remove the unwanted keyboard language layouts, you'll need to delete all entries except the one labeled Default. The default entry should remain untouched as it represents your primary keyboard layout. For each of the other entries you want to remove, simply select one by clicking on it, then right-click to bring up a context menu. From this context menu, click on Delete to proceed with the removal. A confirmation dialog may appear asking if you're sure you want to delete this value. Click Yes to confirm. Repeat this process for each additional keyboard layout entry you want to remove, always leaving the default entry intact. And that's it. You've successfully removed those stubborn keyboard language layouts that wouldn't disappear through the normal Windows 11 settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.